What's up, guys? We're here back with Jeremy's birds. Okay. We also got Max Gasm. We also got some. We also got some. We also got Mansay. Yeah, Mansay. And also Unspeakable Santa. That's me. Today we're here to play some cool games here in my Plex. And yeah, we're gonna do some good stuff. And I also go eat Jeremy's faces. And yeah. What do you have to say? Right now, yeah. The two of us, we have, the four of us, we have a glitch. Yeah, horsey. Jeremy won the sound. Let me go take a look. Yeah, right now. And we also got, we also got the new one called, this is for Jeremy, okay? We also got the new one called Evil Jeremy's. It is really cool, and he is also trying to do a small Jeremy's, how that even be like a mistake, but new YouTube. Also some new YouTubers as well. We never do the YouTuber like we're these kids and various YouTubers. And yeah, and we also the four of us like breakfast and we have like some video games to play some but right now and yeah. Right now before and yeah, but you know how you sprint from Minecraft. You know that? Dude, you know how you sprint from Minecraft journey. Good for you. I play Minecraft every day. When? Right now before so guys, are you excited for the new movie called The Power Rangers? And I watched a movie and I'm going to also as a video. You want me to tell you? But don't laugh at me. I'm sorry and everything. There's a lot. There's a glitch. There's a really bad glitch. And don't laugh at me because it is a girl's movie. Are you a girl? No, I'm not. I'm not a girl. So where are you on? On the Beauty, the Beast, the Beast stuff. You're the. Do you just watch the Beauty and the Beast? That is a scary movie. No, that's awesome movie. I watch it. Alright. You'll blow up Hypixel if you don't play games ever again. Oh man, I like Hypixel, just kidding. But look, you see the big bubble cup I played last time? Yeah, Jeremiah has it right now. He doesn't know to play Hypixels. Yeah. Rule number 4. Cause of Batman. Who are you gonna be? I will believe the sun built the building and Sam built the building and Mikey be the beast. No, why would Jeremy be the beast and we got Mike be the beauty? No, man, I'm not gonna give you some breakfast, okay? Because they're all in this house I built when I play party games. Okay, let's get to the game now. Yeah, we just play Arizona time. Arizona. Oh my God, all right, all right, everyone. We're here to play some games. Right now before sun, right now before you coming, right now sun, honestly no, Jeremiah don't even be like coming to say, come man. But you know what I mean? How that be like something? Yeah, yeah. And interface us off it, yeah. Yeah, right now. No, so we're coming, yeah. Okay, I got this light rifle right now. Yeah, we're flying cops and crimps. Yeah, it's like coming. And right now, okay. Man, what are you doing? I don't know, said Jeremy, but another time, and right now before. Oh, wait. Okay, so who's the. Okay, pick 18. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Woo! Yeah, we're sending a bye, boy. Yeah, he's sending the bye in the big boss in no time. Oh, wait. Okay, well, that was gonna be. I guess right now. This will be fun. Really? We could play Cups of the Queens and party games. Who did this? Who just did this? I did it. I'm good. Oh yeah, I'm a cop. Oh yeah. Oh, wait, I'm a crim. I'm a crumble. I'm a crim. Yeah, I'm a cop. Jeremy's a cop. Mike, where are you? A cop. Man, a cop. Oh, so the three of you guys are against me. I'm gonna kill Jeremy because that's the only one that I want to kill. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. God, no, it's not after. Okay, alright. Okay, let's hide here. Let's hide. Let's hide this time now. Say the big bay. Turn to a block door. Okay. Okay. Shh, guys. Mm. No, Jeremy Super Bowl had them being this skippable seven games right now being like it's really is really bad. Mm. Oh, I'm gonna kill you, Jeremy. Look at that you say here. It says that Unspeakable Gaming is really bad. I mean, Unspeakable Sand Gaming is really bad. You have been really impacting. You know what, guys? Okay, I'm go. I'm looking for sand. I'm looking for sand now. Oh, now you're scared of me, and now you want to look for sand. You're such a buttcracker. Right now, we say buttcrack. No, right now, use every time. We don't know what happens. Man, right now we get bash. Right now, say the breakfast. All right, let's find you. Where's the crumbs? Wait, you guys know? You guys know my favorite YouTuber ever? I'm gonna tell you. Okay, I will tell you guys. This is my favorite YouTubers ever. My favorite YouTubers is Moose Crab. Okay, Ryan. Okay, it's Big Will Gaming and Aviator. Okay, and also Mango and also Little Lizard Gaming and Baby Max and I also like the T-Verse as well because we have a lot of subscribers. Get our faces off. And yeah, nice holiday. Are you gonna want to watch the new Power Ranger movie coming out March 10th? It's not coming March 10th. So what is it though? I don't know. We're so bad at it right now. Okay. Oh, I see you. I see you, Sam. I see you. Take that. Take that. Take that. Oh yes, we did it. I got. Oh yeah. I'm the best at this. Truck connecting. Ooh, I need 10 coins for the minigun. Damn it, man. Right now the same before. Yeah, I'm the same. I'm coming to speak with gaming. Yeah, right now. Gain is over? What? Nobody won. Everybody died. Oh, everybody died. Well, Resident Evil important, okay? Oh wait, they're between with two. Yeah, winner for the cup. Cups won. Okay, yay! Right now, let's see. Go say the cups are the winners. Wherever. Oh god, let's pick up a gaming right now and say, either Sam to give me a Bugatti. Right now, and say, and there's a Sam. And right now, it's in. Hey, does somebody kill us in high pixels? I don't think they can. We should do a video of parkour. And you see who's the best parkour master? That would be Jeremy because I remember he played parkour every day. Well, I played parkour in my first video, so I think I'm really good now. You want to see my parkour map? I played it before. Yeah, good for you because you play Minecraft. And you guys can see us also play like the Xbox One Minecraft game. You can play like everything, but like I don't know, it's like GTA or something like that. Battlefield in Xbox One. Yeah, do you guys know the new game called Mario Run? No. I really want to do a video of 3DS, but somebody said that we can do videos like 3DS. Hey guys, do you want to do a Pokemon thingy? A Pokemon game like spinning before? But now it's not coming. Yeah, it's in about 9. Yeah, it's just in now. Well, alright. We can do a Minecraft video. I'm a Pokemon video right now before. You know how you get the Dragon Eggs? I played this game before and it has like a really intense game type there. right now before. Yeah, we're saying. Let's do it, guys. Let's, before it happens, let's say. Yeah, we can be everything. Me and say because this thing happens before. Yeah, yeah. Right now, I'm just gonna get this dinosaur. Yeah, let's do it. Alright guys. Alright guys. I think the game is over now. We played some cups and crimps. Yeah, and it's already finished so fast, man. Right now say. Yeah, right now. Are your favorite YouTubers ever? Right now I'm saying. Peace of Skype guys. Peace of joy. And learn more comment below. And watch more videos of breakfast. What? Jeremy White or just ruined my TV? Because I did. Peace out!